I have an Ariens, this is the 30-inch Deluxe with the AX306 engine on it. And I was having a problem with one of the features. This particular machine has a feature called the one-hand interlock. And what that does is it's supposed to, if you have the auger handle down and the drive handle down, you're supposed to be able to let go of the auger handle, or lever I should say, and if you want to rotate your chute, you can let go with your right hand and rotate the chute and the auger will continue to turn. Well, mine was working and it quit working and I couldn't figure it out, and I was looking, I thought I had to take the belly pan off and do some kind of a cable adjustment and all kinds of possibilities, and finally, as I was exploring how this whole system maybe works, I came to discover that underneath the handlebars, there's a silver bar here, and you can see it. It goes from the lever on this side, and it's split in the middle, but it goes over, and the silver bar connects to the lever on the left side, the drive lever. So how this works is it's split in the middle, but there's two cams, and when you pull back the two levers, when you pull back the left lever, the drive lever, there's a little silver plate in here. I don't know if you can see it on the back side, but the drive lever pulls that plate back, and there's a cam on both sides of this split shaft. And what that does is, if you've got both handles down and you let go of the right one, because that cam is engaged, that plate in the back holds it in place. Well, what had happened in my case was this, there's a cotter pin holding each of these cams correctly. The cotter pin on my right side was missing, and I don't know how it fell out, but it's kind of an unusual, you probably can't see this one on the left, but it's kind of a flat C-shaped cotter pin. I didn't have any of those, so I replaced that cotter pin with just a regular one. And I had to come in from the back side. When I came in from the front side, the cotter pin was so long that it would hit this spring and interfere with that spring. So I came in from the back side with the cotter pin, found one that fit the hole right. And I just put this silver marking across here, so when I was trying to line up the hole, I knew that when it was in this orientation from side to side, that the hole was lined up with the hole on the cam was lined up with the hole on that silver bar. So that's why I've just put a silver mark across there. But put a new cotter pin in, and now when I put both levers down, if I release the right lever, it stays engaged. So that's how that system works, and I hope that helps somebody, because I was about ready to tear into the whole belly pan of this thing and start adjusting cables and looking at all kinds of possibilities. So I hope that solves the problem if you encounter the same issue. I don't know why those cotter pins would fall out there. The one that's in there looks like it's pretty heavy duty. Maybe it just wasn't fully engaged or something. So hope that helps somebody else. If you like the video, consider following me. If you own lake property or know anyone else that has lake property, consider the Tea Weeder tool. It's a great device for getting rid of seaweed. Thank you.